All right, Graham, another question for you here.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, is it worth it to subcontract drywall and plumbing when getting your Blvd replaced?
Short answer is no. 100% not worth it, in my opinion. So when you're subcontracting, you're gonna have the plumbers, you're gonna have a taper, you're gonna have a texture guy and a painter. So you could have up to 4 or 5 different contractors coming into your property. Or you're using 2 different firms, a plumbing firm and a drywall encompassing firm. Now, the problem I always see when you're subcontracting, what I've had over the years of doing this, almost 2 decades now, is what happens is you get the plumbers in there, they do all the work, the drywallers come in there, they do their work, something gets broken. The homeowner comes home and says, okay, who's responsible for this? Plumber points to the drywaller, drywaller points to the plumber. You don't know whose insurance policy is covering this. They both say it wasn't them. You know, the only person losing is the homeowner. The other reason why I wouldn't suggest subcontracting is you have no control over timeline finishing. Now you as a homeowner have to act as a general contractor to know exactly when the plumber's done, to coordinate the drywaller, to make sure the paint is right, to make sure the texture is right, and you have to do everything. This could make your timeline take, I've seen up to 6 weeks to get this done if all your other tradespeople are busy. You're not a priority to these people, you're just another job. So trying to coordinate, what if the plumber takes an extra day or 2? Now the drywaller doesn't show up for his appointment because he pushed him back. Now he's pushing for a week out, then the painter's now pushing a week or 2 out, and the texture guy's got a week. And then so you're pushing this entire project. So subcontracting that is another reason why I wouldn't do it. Plus the full hassle. You as a homeowner have to be the general contractor. You have to coordinate everybody. You have to make sure everybody's paid. What happens if somebody's disgruntled and these people put liens? You have so many other companies that could just put random liens on your house. What happens if the drywaller is using subcontractors? And that happens a lot in the drywall industry and painting industry, is that there's one company, but they hire a bunch of other little companies to subcontract. What if they don't pay their subcontractor and that subcontractor now puts a lien on your home? Now you've got so many moving parts and variables in there. It just really asks the question, is it worth it to subcontract? Or do you go with a company that's all encompassing, no subcontractors, everything done in-house, done right the first time, guaranteed timelines, guaranteed finish. If anything gets broken, it's one insurance policy, one point of contact with a company, everything is done through that company. In my mind, it's a no-brainer, and that's why we only do everything in-house. We don't subcontract anything. Hope that helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks guys.